Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're setting sail into the meaning of ɡʌlf. It's a word with both geographical and metaphorical significance. Let's embark on our journey. Meaning. A ɡʌlf is a geographical feature, often referred to as a large body of water that is partially enclosed by land. It's larger than a bay, but smaller than a sea or ocean. Gulfs are typically connected to a larger body of water, such as an ocean. Gulf can also refer to a significant gap or division between two things, often used metaphorically to describe a wide difference or separation. Pronunciation. Pronounce ɡʌlf as elf with a short U sound, rhyming with wolf. Use in a sentence. 1. Geographical meaning. The Persian Gulf is known for its warm waters and important oil reserves. 2. Metaphorical use. There is a wide gulf between the beliefs of these two political parties, making compromise difficult. Synonyms. For the geographical sense, you can use bay, inlet, or cove as similar terms. In the metaphorical sense, synonyms might include divide, gap, chasm, or discrepancy. Conclusion. That's our exploration of the word ɡʌlf. It has a geographical and metaphorical significance, representing both a body of water and a metaphor for division or difference. Thanks for joining us, and may you navigate the waters of understanding and bridge any gulfs you encounter.